Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gilly here, and I thought I would do an eyebrow tutorial to show you how I do my eyebrows. Excuse that I'm looking a little musty, dusty, crusty, but like I have the makeup on or whatever, so yeah. Let's just get right into it. So everyone has like very different ways of doing their eyebrows. I think eyebrows make or break a face. I thought I would show you how I do my eyebrows, and if you don't do your brows this way, it's completely fine. Everyone does their brows differently. I do my brows like pretty differently every day because they never look the same. Like my eyebrows wake up different, like different people every day. They have an identity crisis, personally. My life, me. But yeah, let's get right into it. Okay, so I start off using a MAC spoolie. Personally, it's just them free spoolies. Like, it's just a free spoolie, and I brush my brows. I can't find my small mirror, so I'm using this giant thing today. So excuse that I'm looking down at it, but yeah. Okay, so I just brush my brows up first, and I brush it the way I would like them to go. I just use a dark brown eyeshadow, any dark brown. I'm using this Kiko one, and it has this dark brown in it, and literally just any dark brown eyeshadow. You're going to want to go in and do a line under your brow, like, okay. I've put my hair back to look even more like a ratchet person, but I put it back because it kept falling on my face, and I was personally getting annoyed. But we're gonna want to go in, like I was saying, and underline our brow, but stopping just before the front. You don't touch the front like at all. You're just going to see there, all that we're not touching at all. So we're underlining. And this is just a angled brush, just any brow angle brush. So now I'm just overlining the top as well, but not overlining it too much. You're going to want to brush the hairs down so you can like get close to your actual hair lines as possible, because I don't like too thick a brow. Like, thick thighs win and all, but too thick a brow and you look like that Asian girl with the square brows, and that's not a look unless you're going for that. I mean, you do you. And then once you've done that, you can fill in the centers if you want, and you lightly fill it in. Like, if you have more brow hairs or less, you might, you know, in moderation to your hairs, but I'm just filling that in. My brow hairs naturally end quite early, so I'm gonna drag out the shadow. And I know it looks kind of a mess right now, but you're going to go in with concealer. Always, concealer saves the day. And you look a little like a mess because, you know, the front of your brows haven't been touched, but that's okay. You're meant to do that. The way I do it, you're meant to do that, and it's all in the process. Then you're gonna grab your concealer. I'm using the Pro Conceal in FAWN, mixing that with the Stilla concealer in the shade Tan 13, their concealer shade, yeah. And I'm just going under the brow that we just filled in, just to give us an outline so we know where to fill in, you know what I mean. Okay, cool. And then you go in with the Tan 13 and a precise brush. This isn't that precise, but it's like a flat brush I use for my concealer. And I'm just gonna go in and outline the brow. Once you got the under of your brow, you know, outlined with concealer as well, you're gonna want to do the like top half of the tail. Yeah, you're gonna want to do the top half of the brow tail so that it gets like that defined cut. And with that same spoolie, you're going to want to brush the hairs the opposite way, so everything kind of blends into the side that we haven't touched. And I find this trick really helps make it look a little more natural if you're going for a natural soft like brow day look. And then once you've done that, you brush it the way it's meant to, the natural way, I guess, that your hair grows down to there. Okay, and then very lightly, you take the longer end of the angled brush and you dip it into the, you lightly dip it in like that, and then like fan it away so there's absolutely like nothing on it. And we're going to outline the very front of the brow very lightly, like light-handed, like very light-handed. Okay. And once we've done that, we just brush up the hairs. If you don't have a lot of eyebrow hairs, this trick might be harder to do, but I just play to the fact that I do have quite long and, you know, quite long eyebrow hairs and stuff. And then you can now outline the top fully. Now we've got one eyebrow done. I'm gonna go do the other one off camera. Now we're done. This is the finished look. Thank you very much for watching. No, I'm joking. I would never. Don't walk out your house like this and be like, Gilly said it was okay. No. When we've done both brows, you want to take your concealer and go through the middle, you know? Just make a bridge and really connect them to the rest of the lines. And both your brows, they're not gonna look the same. Now you've got that done, you're going to want to blend your concealer in. I would never leave my house with just my eyebrows done like this. I normally go in with foundation, which then like nicely covers and blends it. For easy blending, you could either use your beauty blender, but I like to go in with my fingers for just my like eyebrow concealer and just literally blend the rough edges. So yeah, that was it, guys. Thank you for watching how I do my eyebrows. This is just how I do them personally. Comment down below if you do them differently, how you do your eyebrows, what you use, what you would recommend. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, and comment down below. Like I said, if you'd like to catch me in between my uploads, you can find me at OAKKKS7 on all my social medias, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.
That's true, is that right? She sippin' one wet and yeah, I swear it get her wetter.